Hey guys, it's Dahlia and welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to show you guys what I got at Maxx and HomeGoods. It's been quite a while I've not shopped there and I am super excited to share. I feel like I got good amount of stuff and mainly I focus on like home. So I'm really excited to show you what I got at Maxx and how much it retail. Just to let you know, most of the merchandise, they're not clearance, so they're just regular price, and I'm so excited. Without further ado, let's just get started with the video. It's been a hot minute I've not shopped there. When I say hot minute, I mean like in forever. Like it's been quite a while, and the last time I went there was a long line, very long line. The store was completely empty and there was nothing in the store. Their store is finally full of stuff, so thankfully I got stuff for my room, like comforter, sheets and all that. So I'm kind of excited to show you guys what I got and what I did find at Maxx. First thing that I purchased is these candles. So I got 2 of these candles because I needed some for my candle holders. I did pay for these $9.99. These scents are lavenders and it's 2 for $9.99, which is 10 bucks for it's just plain white candles. And I did find these candles HomeGoods, so I basically got these candles for $16.99, and the other size I got this for $19.99. So I was really excited that I got these are so gorgeous. Like I'm really happy that I found these at HomeGoods. They're not so bad for the price. The mirrors, it just make it look very elegant. White will, you know, stands out a little and it just looks so pretty with the white candles. So also purchased is mattress pad for my bed. It is a full size and actually $24.99, which is not so bad. I was really happy that I was able to purchase this mattress pad, plus I needed one. So ever since I got my bed, I did not purchase a mattress pad, so I was really excited that I finally got my hands on. I know it's not like wow, like how exciting, but for me I was really happy that I got one because I need it, because sometimes you drink water and juice on your bed. Waterproof, stain relief, perfect skirt, odor neutralizing, and overfilled, and machine washable, so it's easy to wash, and it's all total protection mattress pad. So the thing I purchased is Joseph. It's like a little soap dispenser. You keep your little brushes. My mom did remove the tag, but this was actually houseware, $5.99. so it's basically you put your dish soap in here, your bottle, and then you can put your little brushes, like what you clean inside the cups or stuff like that, and you can put your little sponge. Really a good deal for the kitchen. Next thing I purchased is the a file box for hanging files. I got these for like important documents or like photos or stuff like that. Inside there's a lid, and I know there's like a little open edge right here, so basically you hang your files. So I think I might get them either at Walmart or Target. So what the inside looks like is just plain from the inside, and I can just hang my files in here. I got 2 of these files. So one, I wanted to be just my documents, like important documents, and then the second one I just wanted to be just like photos, diplomas, and all that stuff. So I think it's really great to have a storage for your stuff. I'm really excited that I got these. There was 2 different colors, like a blue, but I kind of like this color mainly, this gray one. It's just plain, but I think it's great to store stuff. And these were actually $12.99 each. So the next thing I purchased is curtains. I think curtains is like really the main priority to your house, to make it look more homey, more like privacy, and make it look nice in your room. So obviously I went to get more curtains. These curtains right here retail for $16.99, and it comes with 2 panels. HomeGoods are very affordable curtains, and it comes with 2 sets. I really like this set. It gives a little shine in it, glam. Really like this. It's very beautiful. It's the gourmet panels. Oh look, it gives a really nice sheer. And these curtains, they're so beautiful, and I'm so excited to actually hang them up in my room. And then I also got these another curtains, but they're actually going to be like the shears that goes in the middle. Style looks really pretty. I just love how it looks. It has the little circles to design looks, and these were $16.99, and it comes with two panels, curtains, and these are the shade white. I'm really happy. I'm excited to put them up. Another full of bag, guys. More goodies. Pet bags. I actually needed more bags for my little Theo. 8 rolls of pet bags, and I needed some because the other only had like 2 left. So he needed more like pet bags. Like not bad. They're like $4.99. I purchased some sheets, are the full set, and these are the Cool Comfort when it comes with 1 full flat sheet, and it comes 1 full fitted sheet and 2 standard pillows. I really like them because they're sold in a package, and they're $29.99, and I think that's not bad. And plus it gives a really nice cool, like breathable moisture, and wicking fabric keeps you cool and dry, which is really cool. So I'm really excited. Sometimes I get really hot and they're so soft. Let's try these sheets out. They're $29.99, breathable, and it keeps you really cool. The next thing I purchased is a blanket because I needed another new blanket, and I was like, it is time for a new blanket in a different color, because when I went to TJ Maxx I saw full of pink blankets, and I'm just like, no, pick a different color, something that's very beautiful, very cool, very pastel, like something more light in those blankets. So I did found this one right here. Is Kate Spade New York full queen blanket, and this was actually $24.99. Really blue pastel colors, so light, so beautiful. $24.99, that is not bad for this brand. These little spreaders, it comes with 4 pieces. They're like spreaders, like the colors were so cool. Pink, like a green, red, and blue. So I think this was a really cool set, and they were only $2.99, guys. And I think it's perfect like for peanut butter, cream cheese, icing. Really great like for spreaders, like for anything. And it's actually PBA free, dishwasher safe, not bad. Excited to try them, so I got them for the kitchen. The next thing that I purchased is this quilt comforter. I actually got this at HomeGoods for $59.99. But the best part about this quilt, 5-piece full queen cotton quilt set. So this is actually in white, and it comes with the quilt, 2 standard shams, and 2 decorative pillows, all white. And I was really happy that I found this. This was actually the last one. The style that it has is just really pretty. Like the style, guys. Yeah, sorry if the lighting is showing. It shows the 2 pillows, so it comes with this pillow and this one right here. So I am super excited to put this on my bed. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this, but I just love it. I'm super excited. It's white, it's plain, it's very nice, refreshing white quilt comforter set. So 60 bucks for this, so it wasn't too bad. Purchased a lamp. I got this for like $49.99. I just love how the style looks on this lamp, and I was looking for more like a white lamp, but this is the only lamp that I found because it has like holes, and this is what the color looks like. It has a little tan. Excited to, you know, decor my room, see how it looks, how the design looks on this lamp. I actually purchased 2. That is pretty much it for a HomeGoods haul. I was mainly focusing on my room because I needed new sheets, new comforter, new curtains. I don't know, it's just time for new stuff. So really hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. If you did, please give it a huge big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.